Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VaultTech token. Ticker symbol is VAULT. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the VaultTech token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, welcome to VaultTech, elevating crypto transactions. Blockchain and artificial intelligence, the power duo. By merging the trustworthiness of blockchain with the intelligence of AI, we're redefining the benchmarks for the entire crypto industry. We aren't just participants, we are the game changers. Dive into our ecosystem. Step into our vast landscape of innovative offerings, like the decentralized escrow bot. Experience secure and transparent transactions with a system that ensures both parties' satisfaction. Also, the Vault token privileges. Being a Vault token holder is not just a status, it's a ticket to exclusive benefits, superior returns, and a community of forward thinkers. They have an unwavering commitment, so our promise to you is steadfast, delivering an unparalleled user experience. Every feature, every update, every nuance is designed keeping you at the center, ensuring a seamless interaction each time, every time. Embark on your journey. Immerse yourself in a world where crypto meets innovation. Dive deeper and explore the full spectrum of what we have to offer. So, the first thing is the Vault AI's escrow bot, and there's 3 pillars, 1 commitment. In the intricate realm of decentralized transactions, 3 core principles stand unshaken. Safety, security, and trust. So they're harnessing blockchain's power. Vault AI's escrow bot is more than just software. It's a fortress. By embracing the under-yielding foundation of blockchain and the sophistication mesh of distributed ledger technology, we ensure every transaction is engraved in stone, unchangeable, and transparent. The impartial sentinel. Beyond just facilitating transactions, our bot plays a pivotal role as the unbiased mediator. No sides taken, no corners cut, just pure unbiased automation that champions the interests of both parties equally, ensuring transactions are conducted with absolute confidence. With Vault AI, confidence is guaranteed. Every interaction, every transaction, every commitment is backed by our unwavering promise, reliability, and transparency in an ever-evolving digital landscape. So they have seamless experience on Telegram. Vault AI's escrow bot effortlessly melds with Telegram, embodying our dedication to user-centric design and trust. So connect with our cutting-edge bot on Telegram and experience reliability firsthand. So they go over how to use the bot step by step. It goes through initialization, creating the contract, and connecting parties, solidifying the transaction, and navigating the interface. Now, if you want to find the step-by-step how to use the Vault AI's escrow bot, go over to vaulttech.gitbook.io. Now, on their Twitter, right here, I'm going to put their Twitter up right on the screen here, at VaultTech Hub. They have a full link tree that you can see there, along with the contract address and their webpage, and a brand new Twitter too. They just joined in August 2023. 1,722 followers so far. Blue verified checkmark, 37 tweets. And on their link tree, you can find their website, Twitter, Telegram, Gitbook, white paper, chart, staking, Uniswap link. So you could get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the token using the contract address you can find right there. Or you can get this token, it just got newly listed on a central exchange called POLONIEX. So you just download POLONIEX from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Vault, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they also have the Vault chain. So it has seamless integration, interoperability first, cross-chain transactions, eco-friendly mining, green proof of stake, economic staking, smart contracts 2.0, enhanced contracting, dynamic updating, privacy and security guard with zero knowledge proofs, immutable and tamper-proof, decentralized applications hub, open development platform, integrated VaultTech features, data oracle integration, real-world data integration, secure data channels, global validator network, wide network, and community governance, engage, and experience. So you can, the Vault token's utilization, you could use it for seamless integration within the ecosystem. It fuels the next gen innovation, and it has rewards. You can multiply your rewards through staking. There's revenue sharing. There's referrals, so you can get referral rewards as well. Now there's a tokenomics section on here, so it says there is a 5% tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token off of Uniswap, you'll probably have to set your slippage around 5%, maybe even for transfers as well. Now 1% of that tax goes to the team, 1% development, 1% buyback, 1% marketing, and 1% Vault fund. Now they have a list of their partnerships on their Gitbook, and they also have a roadmap, starting with token launch, coin listing sites, marketing, user growth, acquisition, then the bot release, anonymous transaction and mixing service, partnership announcements, Vault Discord bot, Vault iOS and Android app, hire social media management agency, large partnerships, speed and security application update, sponsorships, live stream promotions, and then comes the Vault chain. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so one of you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about VaultTech and the Vault token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.